all, welcome to John's Marlow Making. Thank you for tuning in. Today I've got the 66 Batmobile, the next 3 issues, 21 to 23. I have got 24, 25 and 26. There we go. There is a free gift. The license plate. Excellent. I'll have to put that together with all the others that I've got as well. That'll look great on the wall. Here we are. This is the engine on its chassis. Well, obviously we add to this. By the end of the next 26 phases, we'll have both wheels in place. Excellent stuff. Brilliant. That is looking absolutely fantastic. Anyway, let's start with phase 21. Okay, doke, phase 21. We have the penguin go straight. Yeah, man. Yeah, of course he does. There, I have something fishy. There we go. Didn't last long. 3 jokers. Evil times 3. Brilliant. Batman 58. Oh look, death and romance and the Joker's involved. What a shock. And there we have Detective Comics, Batman 58. An Unknown Menace. Look at this. This is brilliant. Fantastic artwork. Excellent stuff. And your car parts. In this phase you complete the fitting of the front right suspension ready to fit the wheel in the next assembly issue. Excellent. There we go. All these fiddly parts put in place, and that is what we end up with. Excellent. So without further ado, let's get on with the build. Okay dokie, we have the parts. Let's get them all. There we go, those are the parts. We have 21A, the shock absorber rod, 21B, shock absorber coil spring, 21C, shock absorber mount. Then we have the shaft, the front right upper suspension arm, the steering spindle arm, lower arm ball, upper arm ball, AMCM, EM, WM and AIM screws. Okay, first thing we need is 21F, 21G and 21H. Now 21G is this one, that one go there like so, and we need a WM screw to pop this into place. Now 21G is the longer of these 2 arm balls, so this must go here. There we go, bit of oil on that screw. Excellent. And 21H, which obviously is the shorter, will go there. Again, another WM screw. Get it lined up like that, of course. To hold that just there. Get the screw into place, hopefully. That weren't 3 bad. Excellent. That one only, yeah, it does move. That one I think we'll just have to loosen it off a little bit. There we go. There we go. Can always tighten it later if need be. There we go, so that's 21 F, G and H in place. Okay, next we need 21D and 21C, and basically 21D goes in there like so, sits in between, there we go, them 2 holes there, and we need CM screws, 2 of, from this side to keep it in place. Get some oil on that, get the first screw into place. There we go, excellent. Now we need 21E, which will go just like that, and we fix that in place with 2 EM screws. Okay, let's go over this, get that lined up like that, and get the first EM screw in. There we go, get this one lined up now. There we go, that wasn't too bad. Excellent stuff. Just pop them to one side because now we need the coil spring and the rod. There we go, this needs to go onto the chassis of the car. So we can bring the chassis over and we can pop the spring into here. That will go in there. Let's see, best we put it that way in, methinks. There we go, like that. This arm can go through there like that. We'll have 2 AIM screws afterwards, but first of all we need to put the screw in the top just here, and that is an AIM screw. Oh, it's AM screws at the bottom, I should say, but here we want an AIM screw. We do need that centered like that, so we need an AIM screw on the top. Okay, let's get this screw into place. There we go. So that's a shock absorber rod attached there. Okay, let's get the first of the 2 AM screws into here. There we go. Excellent. So that's the shock absorber spring. Yep. There we go. I think that is the same as that one, is it not? Oh, I can't tell with that one now. Excellent stuff. Okay, up next we need to flip this over and we need to fit 21F, which is this piece that we've put together earlier, into here like that, and we need an AIM screw in there. Hold that there, hold the screw. Excellent. That's brilliant stuff. Excellent. Next we need this piece that we just put together also, and that fits just there over them 2 raised holes, and we'll fix that in place with 2 CM screws. We also need to link this arm up as well, 21F. Fix that in place just there like that, and now we can get the 2 CM screws into place. There we go. Excellent. That's looking brilliant, that. And next we need 1 AIM screw just into the top here of 21F. There we go. There we got both shock absorbers in place. Yeah, nice and solid. Excellent stuff. Ready for the wheels. Brilliant. So that is phase 21 complete. Okay, moving swiftly on to phase 22. We have not yet here cast and crew the Penguin again. Naughty man. In pursuit of the Batmobile. Broken City. Great Batman comics. Batman 59. Excellent artwork as always. And your car parts. In this phase you install parts of the steering to your model, as well as fitting the first wheel. So we'll need the first wheel that we put away. Here we have the steering mechanism, UM and AM screws. There we go. Put them onto the chassis. Yeah, so we'll have to turn that engine over. Get a towel for that. Yeah, and then we have the brake discs or brake drums. Sorry, and the first wheel. Excellent. So without further ado, let's get on with the build. Okay, phase 22. We'll get the parts out. There we go. Those are our parts. So we have 22A is a track rod, and we have the left tie rod, the right tie rod, and we have the 22D, which is the idler arm, and 22E is a pitman arm. Then we have brake rear and front. Should be that way actually. There we go. And then we got a gasket and the brake line. And AM, well, these UM, AIM, FM and CM screws. Okay, so the first 3 parts we need is the track rod, the idler arm and the pitman arm. Now this is 22E, it has an air on it. That will go in there like so, and we need 1 UM screw to keep this into place. I think it's finally bit. Yep. They can be a bit stubborn, these, because of paint on them. So I'll just draw it back out. There is oil on the screw, and you find it will work a lot easier for you. There we go. And we want 22D, which is the pitman arm, in to here with another UM screw. There we go. And you can see one has an R on it. That one. Very difficult to see. There we go. And that has an L on it. Take my word for it. Okay, now we have the track rods. We have left and right. Now the right one, it does have an R on it. That's the left one actually. This is the right one, which will go here, just like that. And the left one will go here, like that. Now if you have a look at the picture, it says AM screws. Let's keep these in place, but it's actually 2 AIM screws. And this is the first AIM screw. And pop some oil on these. And you must have it in this particular order as well. And you have that idler arm and the pitman arm placed just like that. That one has L on it, that has R on it, that has R on it, and that has L. And like I said, these two are AIM screws, not AM screws. Excellent. Let's move on. Okay, now we need the chassis. I'll put with the engine, of course. Obviously I put it on a towel, and now to fit this into place. Now that has an R on it, that has an L on it, so we need to flip that over. That will go there, that will fit there, and the left side will fit here. Let's bring that in. There we go, we'll fit that later. But now we need an AIM there and AIM there. So we'll get the first screw into here. Excellent. And we need another screw into there. Another AIM screw. Excellent stuff. And for here we need a CM screw. Excellent, that's looking brilliant. So that's that track rod in place. Wish I could move it, but I can't. Okay, we can pop that to one side because now we need the front wheel. We'll need that as well for later. And we need to put this brake disc in place just there, just like that. And we need AM screws for this. Okay, let's get the first AM screw into place. A little bit of oil. Excellent. That's that piece in place. Now we need 22I and 22F, and 22I will go onto the rear. Just there's a little pip there, just a little post. Wiggle that on. If it doesn't go on first time, you can always open up the tube. There we go. You might want to glue that as well. But anyway, we need to pop that to one side because we need to put this onto the car, or the chassis I should say. Okay, we can pop this onto here. This is the left side, of course. Get that brake line out of the way. That will fit just there. There we go. You can see some detail there as well. There are two little pegs for it to fit into place. There we go. That'll press into place. Excellent stuff. Yeah, and you should have the detail just like that. The L looks upside down basically. And then pop the wheel over the top. We have a washer. There we go. And we need an FM screw. So we have one FM screw straight down the middle. Got that little gasket as they call it. I called it a washer, but it's a gasket. There we go. Excellent. I think the tyre turned first then. I don't know. And there we go. Can we put the batty on? There we go. I think that's staying in place. There we go. That's better. Excellent stuff. You might want to direct that any way you want. Some people just like the Firestone here at the top with that hubcap, or the bat symbol, which is actually upside down. There we go, just like that, looking excellent. So there we go, that is phase 22 complete. And we can check, there we go, there's that track rod working fantastic in unison with the other side. Brilliant. Let's move on to phase 23. Okie doke, phase 23, we have the Riddler, the Ring of Wax, season 1, episode 23. The Riddler is back with a new gang. The Lure of Lost Treasure, Batman versus the Vampire. Ooh, Batman steps into the supernatural. We have Batman 60. Hey up, we got Batmite. Oh my god, Batmite. Reminds me of Scrappy Doo. That were annoying as well. And the world's finest, DC Comics. In your car parts. In this phase you begin assembling the front right wheel. There we go. That's all we get, the rim. Excellent. So without further ado, let's get on with the build. Okay doke, let's get the parts out. Okay doke, there we have the parts. So we have the outer wheel and the inner wheel. And basically that fits just like that. That is it for phase 23. So phase 24, 25 and 26, we'll concentrate on putting the wheel on this side of the chassis. Excellent stuff. So there we go guys, that is phase 23. Yeah, not a great lot to it, is there? But anyway, there we go. We'll do the right wheel next. That is the left wheel with the Batman logo hubcap. Looking brilliant, excellent stuff. Anyway, that is phases 21, 22 and 23 complete. I'll see you soon for 24 to 26. So thanks for tuning in, and if you did like that, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you soon for the next 3 phases. Thanks for tuning in and watching. Stay safe. Bye for now.